Hey guys, this is Playboy. In this video, I will show you how to change iPhone 12 Pro Max LCD. As you can see, the line here, the white line appears. It sometimes go to full green, and sometimes it's just line. Sometimes it's not even visible. So it was my personal phone. I used it daily, so I decided to change its screen because it's so much annoying. So let's do it. Just slightly pull up the screen and then move forward backward. You can see the green appears, the whole screen is now green, and it just fell from my hand, and the screen was totally fine before. Afterwards it's just like that. It sometimes works, sometimes not. So be careful while you unconnect the connectors, all the connectors of the screen, the both face id and the screen connector, display connector. You can see here is the new screen. Let's change face id flex first. The ear, speaker, face id and true tone flex basically all combined together. Unscrew. This is my automatic screwdriver, so be careful with the manual screwdriver. If you use it, just be careful with all the strips. Make sure all the things works perfect. Make sure the strip is intact. You can see it's so much hard to just, it's so hard. Try to heat up. I did it because I am professional, so you should try to heat up and it will pull up gently. This is basically glued between the screen. Now it's off. You can see its earpiece flex and the front speaker, including the basically IR sensor. So when you pull your phone near your ear, it just turns off the screen so that you have to listen to the call perfectly, and it doesn't touch your mouth with the screen, your face with the screen. So it's all good. Be gentle with all the screws, and it took a while to settle that strip, so it's okay. Just be gentle and take all the time you have, and just be gentle. Make sure you screw all the screws where you unscrew them. Keep that in mind. If you screw a bigger screw in the screen, line pop up, or a black dot pops up on the screen, so you will probably destroy your new screen. Keep that in mind. Make sure you check your face id first before you unplug the old screen, and check the face id again when you plug the screen again. So in gx true tone don't copy, so don't try to copy it from the third party jc repair or any other device. It won't get copy in the new screen because it is concerned with the media, not the touch display. Be gentle with all the strips, intact all of them. Be careful with it. Now let's check the screen. Sometimes you will have to plug it with the power source to turn on the screen, so it is okay. It may take 1 to 2 minutes at least, so wait until the Apple logo appears. Once Apple logo appears, and here it is, unplug the cable and just do your work. Now screen is turning on. You can see the display is all good. Check it functions fully. check the screen, check the display. You can see the display and camera message appears, and check all the touch from every corner. The screen is all good, working properly. So you have purchased a good screen. Make sure you purchase good screen. It's called GX original, so make sure you buy it for the from any Chinese supplier. It is easily available. Check your face ID. Again, check your face ID. You'll have to register it. Now it is all good. The face ID registers and opens phone with just one tap. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.